Hey folks, Ralf here. In today's episode, I need to let you in on a new development here at Weiserland, and that is I got a new to me diesel, a 300SDL, which I'm very excited about. Go ahead and meet Smokey for a couple of reasons, but I get into that. Here we go. So here is the 300SDL 1986. It's actually in not bad a condition. It got resprayed at one point in time. There are a couple of things, odds and ends. Wheel bolts are not the right ones. The tire's old. There's a rusted piece here at in the chrome. There's something going on there. Overall, the car has about 150,000 miles on it, originally from New York State. And yeah, my son and I picked it up. A couple of things. I mean, interior is in really good shape, I have to say, for 1986. But a goob owned this one, and stuff broken. A lot of stuff not operable, like the central locking system, interior lights, antenna, the usual stuff. Front suspension parts. There are a couple of parts that are upper lower ball joints. A couple of things. The spare tire is the original 1986, which is incredible. A couple of scratches here and there. The chrome is not in super shape in the back, but all things I can tolerate. I'm really happy to have another diesel back here. Yeah, not an awful lot of rust. There's one rust spot underneath. Like I said, overall interior is just in need of a decent cleaning, but I'm really excited. That one there will be up for sale soon, the 420 SEI. Drop me a note if you want it. But this here is going to be my daily. I'm so excited that I'll be back in the chair of a diesel. And of course there are plenty of videos coming. I'm really excited. Well, I'm not excited about the work, but I'm excited about one video that I need to make, because the sunroof here needs to be lubed and sticking a little bit. So, and I think that is something that everybody can benefit from. Smokey, because it smokes, but it's also from my favorite movie from the 70s, Smokey and the Bandit, and there's a little bit of a backstory. And we made out like bandits. My son and I, we dragged the car home, and we're almost snagged by a cop at the very end here, within like 3 blocks of home. But anyway, so I'm really excited about this new catch that we've made. I'm a little sad that this bad boy will be going, but 261,000 miles on it now. I need a car that I put a good 30,000 miles a year on it, and I'm not enthused about new cars. I really like the old 80s style. I like the space in it, and I like the fact that I can fix everything myself, and it's another forever Benz. So here we go. A couple of episodes coming up. The first one most likely will entail fixing the odometer. The gears are no longer turning. It's stuck 109,000. Probably been stuck for a while there. And there's, again, plenty of electrical stuff. There's maintenance that hasn't been done in ages. This thing mostly just sat around. It was rumored to have only one winter on it. I call BS on that one. There's definitely some surface rust underneath. But all in all, for an almost exactly 40-year-old car, this is in really good shape, and I'm so excited. And I hope So are you. I hope that you guys have plenty of good rides that are worthwhile maintaining. Until next time, bye.